Good morning, YouTube. It is April the 27th, and it looks like we got some rain heading our way. So, it is almost 9 o'clock, and we have our reference material here, and we're going to start working on our bird. That my solar panels ain't bringing in much. So we'll see how much power we got to work with. Hopefully by 10 o'clock or so, the sun will be out and we'll be able to uh, finish this. We better go turn our inverter on. All right. Okay. Let's see if we got power. Yeah, it only dropped it down to 12.6. We're at 12.7 now, so we got a little bit of power to play with. All right, we'll get on this and we'll bring you back a little later and see how much progress we can get done. All right. Okay, getting the wing shaped up. Still gonna have to work this out a little bit, and then well, we'll have to thin out quite a bit of this wing. But right now I'm gonna start working on the underside of the bird. It's pretty thick right there just yet, so we'll see what we can do there. Let you see that a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna work pretty well. I don't know if you can tell, but see, this is a tungsten bit. I thought I had the package up here. So yeah, there's a Dremel, and it is called well, it's just called a carving bit. It works pretty well. It's pretty aggressive. Let's see if I can give you a close up of it. That's what it looks like. It's got some pretty aggressive teeth on it, and it was I think it was about $11 or $15, something like that. But that's what we're using. All right, we'll be back. Okay, it is about 10 o'clock now. We worked on it for about an hour, and we've shaken down some. It's getting there, but you can tell, or I can tell, what the grain's going to look like now. I'm liking the way this grain is here. And right here on the top of his, where the head is going to be, see that little darkness right there? That's going to work out, I hope, to where his eyes are, or right above his eyes. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Go down a little bit more. It might disappear. It might not. But on this side, the grain looks pretty good too. And I'll have to flatten out his tail quite a bit more. It's pretty thick still. And thin out the wings a little bit. We're getting there. It's getting darker outside, so I might go out and look and transplant a couple of corn seedlings I got coming up out there. It's growing a little close together, so we might be back about noon or so. It all depends on the weather and everything else. All right, I'll be back. Well, as soon as I stepped out the door, it started raining. But that's good for the snap peas. I was hoping I could get some my corn seedlings transplanted from over in my other little plot onto here so they can have something to climb up on. But we're not going to get out there in that cold, wet rain. It's like low 60s, so it'll be cold. So we're gonna wait. He's licking up the rain coming off. Are you thirsty? All right. Well, we'll be back once the rain stops and I can get a little sun to continue what I'm doing. All right, we'll be back. Okay, it's about 11:30 now. We're going to take us a break. We've got her pretty well. Got this wing almost where I want it. Shaped on the head a little. Thinned out the back side. Still need a little bit there. And we got to figure out where the wing's going to be here. And how we're going to make it look like he's still flying. And keep it attached to the base. But we're gonna go get us something to eat and probably put some dinner on in the crock pot. That way we got something for tonight. And we'll be back probably about 1 o'clock or so. All right. Well, it's about 12:45. It's still raining. Hopefully this will blow over in the next couple hours. Maybe I'll get a little bit of sun to add to my, charge my batteries up till before night. It's good for the garden though. Alright, well, if I don't post any more on this today, there'll be a part 3 tomorrow. Well, there'll probably be a part 3 tomorrow for sure. Alright. Okay, well, it's pretty dark in here now. Let's see if we can get some light. Alright, it's just a fly loom. It's got its own little battery in it. It's one of the lights I use in here. But I've gotten my power down to about 12.34, something like that. So it's probably all we're going to be able to do today. It's 1:30 and it don't look like we're going to have any more sun. If we do, it'll be just enough to charge my battery for tonight. So what I'll do is go up to my brother-in-law's where I can get access to internet, upload this, and look at some more pictures of some birds, and mark out his wing down here to where I can tell where I want to put him. So there will be a part 3 tomorrow. We are supposed to be getting more storms though tomorrow, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get done on him tomorrow. But we'll call it good today, and I'll see you tomorrow.